is Alice Go. Is the dismissed Banban mayor going to run for next year's elections? While the ombudsman kicked her out of the office for committing grave misconduct, Go's cases have no final decision yet. This means that Go can still file her candidacy and attempt to reclaim her post. The dismissed mayor's legal camp said she will decide this week. So far, only acting Mayor Joey Salting filed his candidacy for the mayoral post in Bamban. Salting and his running mate, suspended councilor Jaji Sales, distanced themselves from the Pogo fiasco.
Napakasipag niya at napaka-supportive. Sa problema niya, wala kaming alam doon. Ako nga po, 10 years na akong barangay captain dito pero hindi kami nakapasok sa Pogo. Lahat po kaming nanunungkulan dito, wala po kaming alam sa Pogo.
Maganda po ang ginawa ni Mayor Alice. No doubt po yan, maganda po. Pero yung pong sa mga kontrobersiya, let the court decide na lang po.
Yun. Kasi
Gusto
nga wala
pa ba
pang
na-
finality yung
wala
mga
pang-
decision eh. So unless ang COMELEC gumawa ng action regarding it, talagang she can still run.
Oh, after the fact na lang, kung may mag-file to remove her from the post.
Oo.
If she
To be
will.
an official candidate, that's a different question.
Pero gusto
din.
pa ba kaya ni Alice Go
Kasi sabi niya mahal daw niya ang Pilipinas.
ang politika ang nagpahamak sa
Especially
kanya
mga
dito.
taga-Manila.
Gusto pa ba niya ng sakit ng ulo? Di ba? Tapusin mo na niya yung kaso.
Pinaninindigan niya kasi na wala siyang kinalaman, di ba? So,
I
yan
love
ang
the
kanyang
Philippines.
narrative. Oo.
Okay.